Hey guys, welcome to new video. Today I got my hands on awesome MacBook Air M1 chip, gold color. This is a nice present for my wife, hope she likes it. And I want to just show a quick unboxing of this gorgeous and awesome MacBook. So the characteristics of this MacBook, this is 13-inch like any other MacBook right now, and it has 512 gigabyte of SSD, 8-core CPU processor and 8-core GPU graphics processor. So pretty awesome, and apparently it has up to 16 hours of battery life during the day, which is something that I'm really looking forward to seeing. In Kuwait, this was 460 KD, which comes around $1,200–300, which is more expensive than in US, we all know, but that's the case in Kuwait. So you see, this is pretty nice standard packaging. So let's start. I'm gonna open it from here the way you go, all the way. Let's see. Nothing better than just opening the new Apple product. I think this is the part of the experience, of the whole Apple experience thingy. That's why we are so fascinated by these products. Okay, this is pretty much tight, pretty tight here. Let me try. Okay, wow. All right, so this is the beauty. This is the MacBook Air gold color 13-inch. Oh my god, it's so light. It's extremely light and awesome. Okay, I'm gonna remove this foil. Wow. So this is the color, how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it well. So it's pretty gold, it's pretty Goldilocks, right? Goldy color. And I'm sure that some gentlemen will also like this color, to be honest. And it's extremely light, and I don't know, it's so compact and so mobile. So I'm guessing many ladies will be happy to have this kind of baby, this kind of awesome machine. So apart from the fact that it looks awesome and it has amazing performance according to the specs. Right, so this is the first M1 processor. What else do we have? Of course, we have this little booklet with the introduction. Oh wow, look, so we have also gold stickers. So this is the first time I'm seeing on Apple products. Pretty awesome. I'm sure my wife will flip. So this is an addition to it. Of course, we have the charging cable, USB Type-C on both sides, as you can see, and we have this standard. You know, this is for Kuwait, Middle East. This is a standard three-pin charger for your wall sockets. So standard equipment. No surprises there. Everything is here in the box, and that's basically all that you need. So let me just, you know, this is the product. Wow. This is how the baby looks like. It has this protective paper on the screen, and this is international keyboard. It has this nice touch to it. It's not like the previous one. It's packed with Mac OS Big Sur, as you can see. We now need to set it up. It's powered by, you know,
English as the main language.
Oh,
Press
yep.
the return key.
Okay, very good. Return key, whatever. So this is the baby that I wanted to show you. This is a very short video, and this is the perfect gift with which you can really make your wife or your girlfriend or your friend pretty much happy with buying this awesome computer. It's very portable, easy to work on outside. Put it in your backpack. What you need to know that you have two USB-C ports here, so you might need some of those dongles. So this is basically a 13-inch MacBook Air M1 processor. This is the unboxing of it. Hopefully I might do the review after some time.